Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder. First, understand that protein powder is a convenient way to increase your daily protein intake, supporting muscle recovery and growth. It's especially useful for those with active lifestyles or specific dietary needs. Always check the label for ingredients and nutritional information to ensure it fits your health objectives. To prepare your protein shake, typically mix 1 scoop of powder with about 200 to 250 milliliters of your preferred liquid. Water is a common choice, but milk, or a plant-based alternative, can add creaminess and extra nutrients. Use a shaker bottle or blender to ensure it's well combined and smooth. For most individuals, 1 to 2 servings per day is a good starting point, depending on your activity level and overall protein needs. Many find it beneficial to consume a serving within 30 minutes to 1 hour after a workout to aid muscle recovery. It can also be a convenient way to boost protein at other times. To maximize the benefits of protein powder, remember it's a supplement, not a meal replacement. Ensure you're also eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods and staying well hydrated. For specific health concerns or dietary plans, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.